इवेंट है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? आप लोग ऑर्गेनाइजर है, आपने कैसे ये पूरा कंप्लीट किया है, कैसे ये स्टार्ट किया?
थैंक यू सो मच। जी हाँ, ये हमारा सीजन 3 ऑफ द इंटरनेशनल ग्लैमर प्रोजेक्ट मिस टीन इंडिया, मिस इंडिया और मिसेस इंडिया चल रहा है और बहुत खुशी है हम दोनों को एज डॉक्टर्स, एज people who have been in the public domain. We realize our social responsibility, which is towards empowerment of women, of individuals that need to come out of their comfort zone and be beacons of hope. A lot of inspiration is required to be the role models that we are always looking for. And I think Dr. Swaroop और मैंने जिस प्लेटफॉर्म को इतने प्यार से बनाया है, क्या कह सकते हैं हम, that we are very excited कि आज हमें ये दिन देखने का मौका मिला है।
जिस तरह से डॉक्टर अक्षता ने कहा है कि ये हमारा तीसरा सीजन है एंड द एक्सपीरियंस हैज बीन ब्रिलियंट यार, क्योंकि जितना हम लोग आगे बढ़ रहे हैं हमको उतना सपोर्ट भी मिल रहा है, साथ भी मिल रहा है, तो एक अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है और बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है।
कितने दिन तक ये चला ये और किस तरह की कैटेगरी से रिक्वायर फॉर इंडिया का क्लास के आते हैं?
जी हमें 4500 एप्लीकेशंस आई थी सीजन 3 के लिए, जिसमें से शॉर्टलिस्ट, सिलेक्शन राउंड्स, फिल्ट्रेशन, ऑल द प्रोसेस के बाद हमने 100 को सिलेक्ट किया। 100 वेंट थ्रू द ऑडिशंस, द स्क्रीनिंग्स, और उसमें से टॉप 50, देन देयर वर अगेन स्क्रीनिंग्स, ऑडिशंस एंड फिल्ट्रेशंस। आज हमारे साथ टॉप 35 फाइनलिस्ट है ऑल ओवर इंडिया से, इन द 3 कैटेगरीज ऑफ मिस टीन इंडिया, मिस इंडिया एज वेल एज मिसेस इंडिया। हमने इंडिया में मिस इंडिया को बढ़ावा बहुत दिया है और काफ़ी प्लेटफॉर्म्स है जो मिस इंडिया को अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ भी देते हैं। जब डॉक्टर स्वरूप और मैं ये प्लान कर रहे थे, हमने देखा कि देयर वाज अ lacuna in the number of opportunities given to not only Mrs. India but also Miss Teen India. Hence, we created a platform that caters to all the 3 categories: Miss Teen India, Miss India, as well as Mrs. India.
पहले तो हम लोग ऑब्जेक्टिफाइंग विमेन के अगेंस्ट है, तो कोई हाइट क्राइटेरिया नहीं है, वेट क्राइटेरिया नहीं है, एज क्राइटेरिया नहीं है। ज़्यादातर पैजेंट्स और ग्लैमर को यूजुअली ऑब्जेक्टिफिकेशन के हिसाब से देखा जाता है, तो वो हमारा बिल्कुल नहीं है और यही हमारा सबसे बड़ा यूएसपी है।
क्या कुछ आगे क्या कुछ कर रहा है या क्या कुछ हो रहा है, बता सकते बदलने कुछ है?
वेल, जैसे आपने अभी कहा, आगे हम क्या कर रहे हैं। फर्स्टली, वी आर ब्रेकिंग स्टीरियोटाइप्स एंड आई वांट टू डिक्लेयर दैट we are not just looking for models but we are looking for role models. इसमें हमें कोई there's no doubt in this. और हमारी कंपनी का सेकंड आर्म है TIGP Productions Private Limited, जहाँ पे हम मूवीज, म्यूजिक और मैजिक क्रिएट करने वाले हैं। प्लस हमने अपना नया लेबल लॉन्च किया है द रिसेंटली हेल्ड पेरिस फैशन वीक in 2023. TIGP Couture and Fashion is now our own in-house designer label, which will be showcased in many international fashion weeks. हमारा launch already Paris Fashion Week में हो चुका है।
Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Pavni Chhabra and I'm the second place winner of International Glamour Project Miss Teen India 2021. TIGP has been like a family to all of us, carried us along the way that we cannot even imagine, given us opportunities at every step of the way. Picking me out as a 13-year-old from Dehradun and bringing me here on the big stage of Mumbai and me sitting as a judge in one of the jury panels has been a dream come true for all of us. Being a part that I couldn't fly to US because of my visa's issue, I was given opportunities even after shooting a music video with one of the biggest music companies in India, and it was just magical. So thank you so much TIGP for giving us the opportunities and tagging us along like a family. You are just the best. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. रिस्पॉन्स आपको मिल रहा है क्या?
क्या
TIGP ने कैसे ग्रूम किया आपको?
हाँ, तो मैं थर्ड प्लेस विनर हूँ TIGP का। मैं मिस टीन इंडिया सीजन 2023 में जीत गई हूँ और मैं हियरिंग एड पे हूँ और आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल फॉर TIGP गिविंग मी दिस बिग अपॉर्चुनिटी। और आई couldn't बिलीव कि मैं आ सकती थी इस मॉडलिंग फील्ड में। So thank you TIGP for making me the best over here.
क्या देंगी मैम आप?
Thank you so much for TIGP giving my daughter so many opportunities. We never think in our dream also that she can do modeling. But TIGP accepted her, even her deformities. She is on hearing aid. But they said everyone is same. We want to give your encouragement. You come ahead. And then she represents the floor in the Paris Fashion Week also. So thank you so much thank you so much TIGP. You rock. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
TIGP in January 2020, and then the first season of TIGP held in September 2021, and I won Mrs. India. I was crowned as Mrs. Cosmos India 2021, and later I represented India in USA Orlando in the month of June 2022, and there I bagged Mrs. Cosmos International as the first runner-up.
Thank you. Thanks for being with TIGP.
My name is Shipra Singh and I have participated in TIGP in 2023, and I was the second runner-up and I got two subtitles, Mrs. Glamorous Goddess and Glamorous Face. एंड उसके बाद मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली TIGP से इंटरनेशनल पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए मिसेस यूनिवर्स फिलीपींस 2023 में, एंड वहाँ पे मुझे ये सब टाइटल मिला मिसेस यूनिवर्स क्रिएटिविटी 2023, and I must say that this platform is very unique, that each and every woman is coming out of their comfort zone and creating wonders in their life, and they are doing really great job. Dr. Akshita Prabhu is a great mentor. मैं फिलीपींस में थी और वहाँ पे 90 कंट्रीज ने पार्टिसिपेट किया था, एंड आई मस्ट से कि जो मेंटरिंग डॉक्टर अक्षता प्रभु ने दी है दैट वाज रियली वेरी डिफरेंट एंड यूनिक, जहाँ पे कि आप कह सकते हो कि यू आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द अदर पार्टिसिपेंट्स और आप कहीं स्टैंड करते हो। जब आप अपने इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करते हो इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे, इट्स अ प्राउड मूवमेंट, एंड आई थिंक दैट मूवमेंट आई हैव गॉट फ्रॉम मिसेस अक्षता प्रभु, एंड TIGP हैज गिवन मी दैट प्लेटफॉर्म. So all thanks to TIGP, Dr. Akshita Prabhu and Dr. Swaroop sir. So that's it.
My name is Dhanashri Parwekar, born and raised in city of Dreams, Mumbai. Currently working as a cabin crew with our national airline carrier. I am here to explore myself in this glamorous industry. Thank you. TIGP ये एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे हर लड़की को अपना ड्रीम चेज करने का मौका मिला है. कमिंग फ्रॉम अ मिडिल क्लास बैकग्राउंड, मुझे यहाँ पे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है कि ग्लैमरस इंडस्ट्री कैसी है वो देखने का. सो थैंक्स टू TIGP मुझे एक्चुअली ये इंडस्ट्री के बारे में बहुत कुछ पता चल रहा है कि ये इंडस्ट्री कैसे वर्क करती है. बस थैंक यू.
What do you have to say about the TIGP, this event? You are a member. So किस तरह से register करने वाले हैं?
I can speak in English or in Hindi?
Please go ahead.
Okay. Let me be very honest with you that I am very excited with TIGP for the simple reason that this is something which is unique, and for the Indian models, it's a gateway to the global world. You look at the models here, first time ever TIGP has started doing something where we are producing global talent locally, and that gives me a lot of pride when I become a jury member and I'm evaluating local talent which is going to be for the global market, be it for London, Paris, Milan and the likes.
How such kind of events helps newcomer?
Absolutely, it's an amazing platform because always when we used to have glamour shows, it was always for India and it was limited. Today, when we look at the newcomers, they've got a passport to reach the global arena, be a supermodel, and they take wings very quickly and their dreams come true to fly higher and higher. Couldn't be a better opportunity than this as a launching pad.
Excellent. So let's break your right TIGP and how you are associated with this event.
So TIGP, I just got to know about TIGP through Instagram. My daughter is participating in Miss Teen category and I'm overwhelmed by the kind of training they've given to all of the contestants. It's been an amazing journey for all the contestants and I hope all the good things will be there in their memory and wishing them all the very best.
Okay.
Thank you.
Do you think will win this?
Everybody has put their best into this. So crossing our fingers, praying for everybody. Yeah, thank you.
Start. So hi everyone, I'm Dr. Aditi, born and brought up in the city of Dreams, Mumbai. So as a doctor, we have been subjected to a lot of stereotypes that we are just confined to textbooks, and I've embarked upon this journey of pageantry because I want to prove that I am not just brains, I'm beauty with brains. Thank you. सो TIGP एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे बहुत डाइवर्सिटी है. बेसिकली फैशन वर्ल्ड में देखा जाता है कि सिर्फ टॉल स्लेंडर पतली लड़कियों को इम्पोर्टेंस दिया जाता है, बट आई हैव सीन दैट TIGP इज एक्सट्रीमली इंक्लूसिव. You have all body shapes, all body sizes and from diverse backgrounds. So that's one thing that I love about TIGP. Thank you.
Sorry? Sure. Hi, my name is Vishali Shah and I'm competing in the Mrs. category, and I've participated a lot in a lot of pageants. I've won like 10 titles and crowns. But what brings me to TIGP is that it's an international platform. I think it's the only gateway to go international, and it's different. It's not a pageant like you participate in 2 to 3 days and you get it over with. It's a transformative journey. We have been with TIGP for a year and we have undergone like a year-long training, and it's very challenging. I mean, though there are contestants who are like, participating for the first time, but we just saw the scores and they are so mixed. I mean, it's like anything can happen.
I'm Dr. Mithula Nair from Kerala. The capital city of Kerala, Trivandrum, is where I've been born and brought up. So I'm a contestant in the Mrs. category for the International Glamour Project Mrs. India 2024. So yes, I have come here to improve myself and to be the winner.
Yes.
Hi everyone, my name is Vaidehi Patil and I am representing Jalgaon, Maharashtra on this International Glamour Project platform under the Mrs. category. And I am a chartered accountant by profession. I am also a classical dancer, trained classical dancer. I have been danced since 15 years. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Seema Sute. I have come from Khandwa, Madhya Pradesh, and TIGP is the international platform I want to explore. I had won many titles previously in Mrs. India competition. This is the platform where I am trying my opportunity to the international world. Thank you.
Hi, Namaste. I'm Manaka Shivaguma. I'm coming from Ernakulam, Kerala, and I'm currently working as a quality assurance trainee. And I'm participating for the Miss category. And TIGP is a great platform to be yourself and to contest yourself in a pageantry like this, where beauty is not treated from the outer appearance, rather it is participating and treating people on terms of their inner beauty. and so I'm here for it. Thank you.
everyone. I'm parents of Yashika Vagnere. TIGP ने जो चांस मिला है यशिका को, तो उसके लिए TIGP का थैंक्स। और उसने जो किया है, हार्ड वर्किंग जो किया है, विदाउट एनी सपोर्ट और विदाउट एनी बैकग्राउंड, वो आज जो भी एक्टिविटी या जो भी राउंड उसने किए हैं, वो उसने खुद के कैपेबल जो भी है वो उसने खुद पे किए हैं। और यहाँ पे आने के लिए, उसे चांस देने के लिए TIGP का थैंक यू सो मच, और ऑल द बेस्ट टू ऑल कंटेस्टेंट्स।
TIGP and किस तरह से how you participated or
I didn't
how you associated today?
So I'm here to support my sister, Kaina's Mystery. She's one of the participants at the TGIP's. She's a finalist for the TIGP's competition in the Mrs. 50s, and she is amazing. We're so proud of her. She's done so well, and we're here to cheer her on and make sure she wins the crown.
What did you say, ma'am?
Yeah, my mom is participating, Kaina's Mystery, and I'm really proud of her and I hope she wins.
Yeah, we're looking forward to Kaina's Mystery winning and just excited to be here to support her.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.